Hi, today we're going to talk about pay stubs. So, if you are generating pay stubs PDF file for your business and you're looking for an automation system where you can generate the files complete in automation, then this video is for you. As you can see, I have created a rough pay stub PDF template file in a Google document, which we'll be using along with a pay stub database, which I have created in Notion. So basically, we have three records of information in this database, and we'll be using these information and create three PDF files complete in automation using the information from the database and this template file that we have on the Google document. So we'll link up the Google document and the database and create PDF files completely for this process. For this, first of all, head over to pdfoutput.com. This is a website which will help you create the automation setup. Click on Get Started and choose the account which you're going to use. Click on Continue and make sure you enable this checkbox, which is very much essential for generating the PDF file. So this must be checked. Click on Continue. And once you land up, first we need to add the database. So click on Add Notion Database, click on Connect, and we need to add the database to get started. So first of all, what I'll do is I will just copy this database URL and I will put it inside this search box which I find over here. So put the your database name over here, and you can see it has already been added. But in your case, it will not be added. So what you can do is once you paste it over here, you can click on this and it will automatically add the database. Okay, so you can see now the database is showing here as it is added. Click on Allow Access. So this will give access to the database for us, and then we can proceed with generating the PDF file. So click on the drop down and you can see the pay stub database showing over here. And once you click on that, it will fetch the properties of the database which we can proceed further with. Okay, if you're not seeing the database, simply reload and refresh and you will be able to see the database. Click on Next, and now we need to add the Google document. Okay, so click on Add Google Docs and click on Select Google Docs, and from here just jump to the document view. And in here what you can do is simply copy the document title that you have over here. So let me copy this title and simply add the title inside this document view. Okay, and click on Search. So it will search for the document for us. Click on this and click on Select. So now the document has been loaded up. Once the document is loaded up, we can see the document on the left side and the database on the right side, which we can use for the automation setup. Okay, first is we need to add the company name over here. So what we'll do is I will search for the company name from the properties list that we see over here. So you can see the company name showing here. Click on copy, it will copy the company name value and simply paste that property over here. So I will remove this and I will use Control V or Command V to paste it. Okay, this is how you can map the properties. Next is the address. So let me fetch this address part, street address and all the stuff. Click on copy and just remove this part which you do not need and simply paste it again. Okay, Control V or Command V from the keyboard to paste it. Let's get the phone number as well. So company phone, let me copy and paste it over here. And then we have the email ID. So let me also adjust it. So you have all the formattings available inside this document view which can be used. Okay, so I will use the email ID next. Click to copy and simply remove this field and paste it. So I have just mapped four properties quickly from this database that we had over here that was fetched. You can obviously map for all the properties in the document. Okay, click on download PDF. You have all the options available like range of rows or custom rows. I will go with all the rows, and I want to generate the PDF file by the employee ID. Okay, so I can select the employee ID column from this drop down. So simply search for the employee ID which you can find and click on start. So now it will generate the PDF files for me, reading the information from the database one by one, and it will create the PDFs for us. Okay, so you can see the first file is already out, VD003, which is this employee ID, and we're going to go ahead with the remaining two files, and then we can see the files at once. So all the three files have been generated. Let's go to the download folder and check the output. So the first file is VD003. Let me open it up. It is for the employee Vertex, the company name Vertex Dynamics. So if you see the database, this is Vertex Dynamics, which we have over here, and all the four properties have been correctly mapped. Let's check NA002. This is also correctly mapped with the corresponding properties. Let's check ST001. This has also been mapped. Okay, so basically it quickly fetched the record from the database onto the document and it created the PDF files for our use case. Okay, so it is very simple. Simply add the database, add the document, map the fields, and generate the PDF files. And if you have any questions besides this, just reach out to me at notionformyuse@gmail.com, or you can use this chat window at the bottom to send me a message. I'll be happy to take up issues. In the mapping section, do remember to click on copy and just paste it using Control V or Command V, and that will help with the mapping part. Thank you for watching this video. Have a great day. Bye bye.